Hello, my name is Mini Sethi. Today I'm going to discuss about how to change your self-image. Self-image means what you think about yourself. You have picture of yourself in your mind. What you think about yourself, what you feel about yourself. People who have poor self-image, people who have poor self-image, they don't like themselves. They have so many doubt on their ability, they have so many doubt on their skill, they don't have a confidence, they have low self-esteem. Your self-image control your life. That's why it is very important to change your self-image. You have to improve your self-image. By improving your self-image, you can change your life. Today I will tell you three ways to improve your self-image. First, say no. Say no to internal critics. Say no to internal critics. Most of the time, so many negative thoughts comes in your mind. We have up to 50,000 thought in our mind, and 70 to 80% thought is negative. Okay, if you have continue negative thoughts about yourself, I cannot do this, I am very powerless, I don't have a communication skills, I don't have a confidence. If you continue say to yourself, say no. Say no to your internal critics. Say no. Because when you internally criticize yourself, your self image becomes so poor, and it's become your reality. Because your self image control your life, you have to say no to your internal critic. You have to replace your negative thought in your positive thought. No, you need not to listen your internal conflict who criticizing you. No, you have to instantly replace it. No, I am very confident. I am very powerful. I have a lot of skill. I have a lot of capacity. You do not need to listen your internal critics. You have to replace your negative thought into your positive thought. Second, know yourself, know yourself and your strength. Know yourself and your strength. Know yourself who you are. What are your strengths? Remind yourself about your achievement. Remind yourself about your ability, about your strength, about your skill. And third, do activity that you love to do. Do activity, do tasks that you want to do, that you love to do. Create the life that you want to create, that you love to create. By doing that, you will feel happy inside, and it will build your positive self image. These are three effective ways. By using this, you definitely improve your self image.